Imagine a world where your internet speed and performance are untouchable, immune to interference and built for efficiency and shielded Ethernet cables. But what makes them the superheroes of networking? Unlike regular Ethernet cables, shielded cables have an extra layer of protection, a metallic shield that acts as a guard against electromagnetic interference, or EMI. Whether you're in a busy office, a factory with heavy machinery, or even at home surrounded by devices, this shield ensures a steady, fast connection. Here's the reality. EMI can slow down your connection and lead to packet loss. But with shielded cables, your data flow stays secure and uninterrupted. This means better speed, stable connections, and superior performance, no matter the environment. Why choose shielded cables? The main reason is to improvise interference, speed, and security. Shielded cables don't just stop at performance, they add an extra layer of security. Shielded cables are the superheroes of modern networking, where performance matters. It restricts the electromagnetic interference to cause major speed interruptions, to deviate the data transfer speed to reduce. Whether gaming or fetching larger data from data centers, shielded cables are always ahead to provide you right speed, security, and reliability. Buy New York Cable's bulk Ethernet cables for perfect cabling options and benefit from our Christmas sale offer. There is still time. We have huge orders for our hot products.